It is really exciting. Today it is exciting, very exciting for us. Innovitz is grateful for hosting EcoMotion Assembly. EcoMotion is an incredible gathering of industry experts and community members from across the smart mobility sector. This year, EcoMotion's Assembly comes at a very challenging moment in Israel. 124 of our loved ones are still held in Gaza, along with our hearts. And our minds keeps bouncing back and forth to make sure that the Israeli high-tech delivers no matter what. That's the resilience we need to have, but to close this chapter, they all need to come back right now. The ability to highlight innovative technology and meet some of the leading minds from across the globe is a shining light and speaks for the power of this community. I was deeply humbled and delighted when Jennifer asked if Innovitz would be able to host this year's event, and speaking for the entire Innovitz team, we are thrilled to welcome you to our campus. One of our core values that has been integral to the Innovitz mission has always been to give back and provide a positive impact in the communities that we are fortunate enough to be part of. And this is another way to demonstrate the way we act amid turbulent times. We grow by collaboration. EcoMotion is among the different initiatives which has grown alongside companies like Innovitz, and this community has created one of the most refreshing global automotive conferences, highlighting disruptive technologies and providing a platform for participants, industry experts, and entrepreneurs alike to experience what the future can look like. Today, we invite you to experience what a safe, advanced, and a dynamic mobility future looks like. Just look around you. I'm delighted to welcome you today to Innovitz headquarters, where we craft the technologies of tomorrow. I'll now move to my presentation. Thank you. So, for those of you who might not know Innovitz, Innovitz are developing LiDARs for autonomous vehicle. Our headquarters here in Israel. Of course, we have some facilities around the globe supporting our customers. We started 8 years ago, and I hope you can recognize the progress we made year over year. You can see young and optimistic Omer on the right top, playing with an idea that I had. And it is exciting that idea actually matured enough to get to the point that we actually have our product on the road today on a BMW car, which just yesterday, one of our team members sent us a picture of a car he saw just outside on the road. And you can imagine how the team was excited to see all of the really hard work that was poured in to make that happen. Now you can imagine that developing a level 3 system is extremely challenging. I don't know if Alida is here. I know that she came. Alida was actually leading that activity from BMW side, working very closely with us. There are many things that can go wrong. Any one issue that you can find that might not work as expected would automatically downgrade the system from a level 3 to level 2. Allowing eyes off takes a lot of responsibility and hundreds of thousands of testing of kilometers. And we are very, very proud to being able to accomplish that, and gives us a lot of confidence in our ability to continue doing that with our second generation and our new customers. So from here, we are waiting for another launch of BMW in China. We launched in Germany, and we are looking towards a launch in China. We are working with Volkswagen on different platforms. Our first platform that we started working on is a level 3 with the Caria team on a Qualcomm platform. From there, through the learnings and experience we gained with the VW team, we were able to go on additional platforms. The first one was the ID Buzz, which is going to be on the road. Actually, it's on the road, but it's going to be SOPing in 26. That's a collaboration that we're doing with Mobileye, a small startup from Jerusalem you might know. Of course, we are very honored to be on their Drive platform. Now we are also very happy that we were added also to the Chauffeur, which is the level 3 program. So a recent update we gave was starting to work on another level 3 platform with Mobileye on VW. And actually, there are more things coming. That's kind of the benefit or nature of having a good collaboration, which always leads to additional opportunities that can grow. Working with Mobileye is obviously a very important asset, and we are looking now on additional opportunities where Mobileye is involved and seeing how the fact that we are already embedded on the drive and chauffeur will allow us to participate on programs where Mobileye is active. And like Mobileye, there are other platforms like Qualcomm and NVIDIA. We're working with Qualcomm on Volkswagen program, and actually, as we speak, we have a team working very closely with NVIDIA, hopefully to be part of a platform which will come to fruition. And of course, we never rest. We are continuing to work on our technology. We introduced our slim design, which is optimized for roof integration and behind the windshield, very small footprint over the window. Same architecture, a very smart concept done by the team, which we are working on and currently offering to different customers. Where are we heading? So, we are continuously working on additional opportunities in the market. There are several that are heading towards us, whether it's level 3 or a very big truck opportunity, which we are hoping to close very soon. We are an infant in the automotive industry. We are only 8 years. That's considered to be a very young age for us as a company. We moved from being a tier 2 to a tier 1 just a few years ago. We are making our steps in becoming one of the strongest tier 1 in the space and hoping to be the leader in the space. That's it for today. I hope that you will enjoy your day here. I want to use the opportunity also to thank my team for really supporting this effort. Thank you, EcoMotion, for allowing us to host this great event. I hope that you enjoyed the rest of the day. Thank you.